Hey, it's Jason Glover with Dad's That Cook. I've got a wonderful guest. My boy, my big boy. He's gonna make some brownies with me today. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be gluten-free brownies. We're making them from scratch today, huh?
Yes, we are.
It's gonna be yummy, I can't wait. We've got all the ingredients here for this. So the chocolate sauce is pretty simple to make, right?
Yeah.
Put a couple of sticks of butter in there.
Melted them down and then put the cocoa powder in.
And a cup of cocoa powder,
Mm-hmm.
okay, from our good folks over at Deli. And you just kind of melted it down on the stovetop, and then we cooled it off inside the freezer for about 5 minutes or so, just to cool it down so it's not too hot. Then we're gonna take our dry stuff, and we're gonna mix the dry stuff together first, all right? So mixing it together, we're gonna take the sugar. This is just plain sugar, your regular old sugar here, 1.5 cups. We're gonna put that in a bowl. Brown sugar, which is 1/2 cup of brown sugar. We're gonna put that in the bowl. 1/2 cup of flour. Now, I'm using gluten-free cup for cup. Thomas Keller, the man. Pinch of salt. Don't need a lot, just a nice pinch just to give it a little bite. Corbin, if you could do me a favor and just kind of mix that up and make sure it's all nice and mixed and happy. While he's doing that, I'm gonna do some of the wet stuff. Okay, so I got my eggs. I'm just gonna bang those in there, I don't care. Bam, bam, bam. Excuse me, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
Throw that in the garbage. Tablespoon of vanilla. We got a tablespoon of vanilla. Chocolate here. Stick that in there like so. So we have our dry stuff all nicely mixed. Now we need to kind of do our wet stuff. So let's get that kind of working here a little, okay? Let's give it a little tour. Can you get that a tour?
Mm-hmm,
Give it a
I
tour.
can.
Get those eggs nice and whipped up. So get it blended, because you don't want to just throw all your stuff into one big pile. It'll be chunky and it won't have the flavor that will be mixed throughout the entire thing. Get in there and really work it. Work that elbow. Work that elbow. Yeah, there you go, buddy. Then we're just gonna take the dry stuff here, give it one last little toss, and we're gonna slowly mix this in. You wanna slowly mix it in. You don't wanna just dump a big lump in there because it'll be harder to mix. So just kind of take your time with it. Make sure it all gets in there. Get it, get it, get it, get it. In the meantime, I have my oven. It's already been pre-baking it at 325. This is gonna be enough to make 2 of these 8-inch pans. So once we get this all kind of whipped up here, once I get my little kid's arm ready to fall off, is it hurting yet?
A little bit. It's starting to get a little sore.
After we work this brownie mix, you're gonna be buff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have that one muscle.
I'm ready.
Over there. I'm gonna spray the pans with a little canola oil. We're gonna do halvesies here, so.
Yeah. It's looking like it's...
About equal. Okay.
Yeah.
Give it a little shake. Okay. And we're gonna stick them in the oven at 325 for about 35 minutes. We'll keep an eye on them. We'll poke them with a toothpick, make sure that they're not all gooey and yucky, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll pull them out, and we'll put our nice little happy sauce. We've got some caramel honey. You'll have to try it, you'll love it. And that's it. Now we just sit and we wait.
Looking good.
The brownie, it's all cooled down. We're gonna cut it into little squares. We're gonna put it on a nice little plate, and then we're gonna drizzle our caramel sauce all over that, okay? Dig your finger in there, no?
Mm-hmm. No, that's you.
Uh-huh.
I don't want a big one.
Oh, that's good.